Josie Hodge. I'm the Māori Multicultural Health Worker for the Good Start program. As you all know, today is the official launch of our iLexi campaign, and I'd like to share with you my story a little bit more on my background. Saying that, I come from a large whānau from back in New Zealand. My father is one of 21 brothers and sisters, so it's pretty big, and a lot of them are victims of chronic diseases such as diabetes and the main one. So my legacy would be being that role model, being the leader to not only my family, brothers, also to my younger peers, everyone out there that's willing to get on board and just live that healthy lifestyle. Yep, so my two nominations would be my koro, Tony Phillips. I know he's made a big change with him. And also Sanga Salisbury, also well known up here, so should be loving this. Good everyone.